Well, let's put the spotlight on auto sales. That's the other big cue we've been tracking, and there's been a strong tractor performance, which has in fact boosted the M&M stock in trade today. But Bajaj Auto has posted what has been a tepid show in October, especially on the export front. Sonia's here with all of the details and the roundup of all the auto stocks which delivered numbers overnight.
Oh yes, you know, for M&M, I haven't seen this strength in tractor sales in a very long time. So 45,000 units in just one single month, that's a whopping growth of 61%. And the management said that this trend could continue because there's an expectation of a very good Kharif crop, and that could lead to an further improvement in demand. I just want to get the trend graph, if you can, on the screen. And if you look at that, you know, compared to the average in July and August, there's a substantial jump that we've seen in the months of September and October. And of course, we can fit only 5 months into this graph. But even if you look at a 10-month average, you will see that 45,000 is the highest that they've done in more than a year. So very good numbers from M&M coming in. In the tractor segment, in autos, it's not that great, absolutely flat growth. But for Bajaj Auto, you know, the overall growth is muted. Export volumes are lower. Domestic volumes are down month on month. The management said that the Dussehra demand is very muted. And they gave two important numbers. They said that they will clock in 24 lakh units of domestic sales by the end of the year, which means that they have done about 12.7 lakhs in the first half of the year, which means second half of the year will be slower than the first half of the year in the domestic market. And that's something that has disappointed the street this time around. And if you look at the trend as well, the graph should just come up for you. 3.5 lakhs is lower than 3.76 lakhs that they've done, the overall trend that is. So sluggish numbers from Bajaj Auto and good numbers from M&M.
Okay. And